Hello friends, welcome back to Multi Question World. Today we are going to discuss another question paper. If you are watching without subscribing, please do subscribe. Question number 24. Chemical ripening agent used in Harris hematoxylin is option A sodium iodate, option B mercuric oxide, option C aluminium sulfate, option D chloral hydrate. Right answer is option B mercuric oxide. The chemical ripening agent used in Harris hematoxylin is mercuric oxide. Next question. Coating fixative are usually sprayed over smear at a distance of 25 to 30 centimeters, 10 to 12 centimeters, 5 to 10 centimeters, 3 to 6 centimeters. The right answer is option A 25 to 30 centimeters or 10 to 12 inches. Next one. Question number 26. Metaphase arrest solution used in karyotyping is. Question number 26. Metaphase arrest solution used in karyotyping. Option A colchicine, option B TC199, option C PHA or para-aminohippuric acid, option D methanol. The right answer is option A colchicine. Metaphase arrest solution used in karyotyping is colchicine. Next question. Question number 27. Stain used in karyotyping. Option A Leishman, option B Wright stain, option C Giemsa, option D PAS or periodic acid shift stain. The right answer is option C Giemsa stain. The stain used in karyotyping is Giemsa. Next one. The correct determination of human diploid chromosome number 46 is by option A Tijoux and Levan, option B Jacob and Strunk, option C Friedrich Meester, option D Watson and Craig. The right answer is option A Tijoux and Levan. The correct determination of human diploid chromosome number 46 is by Tijoux and Levan. Next question. Down syndrome is option A trisomy 13, option B trisomy 21, option C trisomy 18, option D none of the above. The right answer is option B trisomy 21. Down syndrome is trisomy 21. Next one. Method of choice for demonstrating Philadelphia chromosome is option A blood, option B bone marrow, option C CSF, option D amniotic fluid. Which of the following is a method of choice for Philadelphia chromosome? The right answer is option B bone marrow. Next question. Biological hazard can be caused by option A Mycobacterium tuberculosis, option B hepatitis B virus, option C HIV. Mycobacterium tuberculosis, hepatitis B virus and HIV are biological hazards. So, the right answer is option D, all the above. Next question. Antibiotic penicillin is discovered by option A Edward Jenner, option B Alexander Fleming, option C Robert Koch, option D Louis Pasteur. Who discovered penicillin? The right answer is option B Alexander Fleming. Next question. Staphylococcus and streptococcus can be differentiated by option A coagulase test, option B oxidase test, option C catalase test, option D indole test. The right answer is option C catalase test. Next question. H2S production can be detected by option A TSI agar, option B TCBS agar, option C blood agar, option D IMVIC test. Right answer option A TSI agar. H2S production can be detected by TSI agar. Next one. Question number 35. Liquid paraffin is sterilized by option A hot air oven is the right answer. Liquid paraffin is sterilized by hot air oven. Next one. The decolorizing agent used for Mycobacterium leprae in AFB stain is Mycobacterium leprae. 20% H2SO4, 15% H2SO4, 10% H2SO4, 5% H2SO4. The right answer is option D 5% H2SO4. It is used for Mycobacterium leprae as it is very delicate. 20% H2SO4 is used for tubercle bacilli. Next one. Nocturnal periodicity is characterized by option A microfilaria, option B leishmania, option C Plasmodium falciparum, option D trypanosomes. Nocturnal periodicity is characterized by microfilaria. Nocturnal periodicity means movement of parasite, that is microfilaria, to peripheral blood during night. Next question. Question number 38. Hookworm is the common name of option A Trichuris trichura, Option B, Ancylostoma duodenale. Option C, Ascaris lumbricoides. Option D, Enterobius vermicularis. The right answer is Ancylostoma duodenale. Hookworm is common name of Ancylostoma duodenale. Next question. QBC technique is a rapid test used for the diagnosis of option A, filariasis, option B, leishmaniasis, option C, amoebiasis, option D, malaria. QBC technique is quantitative Buffy-Coat technique and it is used for option D, malaria. Next question, question number 40. Hydatid cyst is seen in option A, cysticercosis, option B, trypanosomiasis, option C, echinococcosis, option D, filariasis. Hydatid cyst is seen in echinococcosis. Echinococcosis is a condition which is caused by Echinococcus granulosus, which is a hydatid tapeworm or dog tapeworm. Question number 41. Trichomonas vaginalis life cycle consists of option A, trophozoite, option B, precystic stage, option C, cyst, option D, all of the above. Trichomonas vaginalis life cycle consists of only trophozoite stage. There is no precystic stage and cyst stage. So the right answer is option A, trophozoite. Next question. The source of infection in Ancylostoma duodenale is option A, water, option B, soil, option C, food, option D, insect vector. The right answer is option B, soil. Next one. Satellitism is a characteristic feature of option A, Staphylococcus, option B, Haemophilus influenzae, option C, pneumococci, option D, Yersinia pestis. The right answer is option B, Haemophilus influenzae. Satellitism is exhibited by Haemophilus influenzae. Next question, question number 44. Trench fever is caused by option A, Rickettsia rickettsii, option B, Rickettsia conuri, option C, Rickettsia quintana, option D, Rickettsia susugamushi. The right answer is option C, Rickettsia quintana or Rochilliamia quintana. Question number 45. Inclusion blanoria is a form of option A, conjunctivitis, option B, diarrhea, option C, meningitis, option D, pneumonia. Inclusion blanoria is a viral conjunctivitis. So the right answer is option A, conjunctivitis. Question number 46. Klebs Loeffler bacillus is option A, Mycobacterium tuberculosis, option B, Mycobacterium leprae, option C, Bacillus anthracis, option D, Corynebacterium diphtheriae. The right answer is option D, Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Klebs Loeffler bacillus is Corynebacterium diphtheriae. Next question. Question number 47. Oxidase reagent is. The right answer is option D, tetramethyl p-phenylenediol hydrochloride. Next question. Question number 48. Plague bacillus is option A, Leptospira interrogans, option B, Yersinia pestis, option C, Borrelia vincenti, option D, Borrelia burgdorferi. The right answer is option B, Yersinia pestis. Plague bacillus is Yersinia pestis. Question number 49. Moniliasis is commonly caused by option A, Paracoccidioides brasiliensis, option B, Candida albicans, option C, Histoplasma duboisi, option D, Cryptococcus neoformans. The right answer is option B, Candida albicans. Moniliasis is commonly caused by Candida albicans. Next one, black fungus disease is option A, histoplasmosis, option B, phycomycosis, option C, mucormycosis, option D, coccidiomycosis. Which of the following is black fungus disease? The right answer is option C, mucormycosis. Next question, question number 51. Asexual spores produced by phycomycetes are option A, ascospores, option B, basidiospores, option C, zygospores, option D, sporangiospores. Here A, B and C are sexual spores. So the right answer is option D, sporangiospores. Asexual spores produced by phycomycetes are sporangiospores. Next one, Dermatophytes are examples of option A moles, option B yeast, option C dimorphic fungi, option D yeast-like fungi. The right answer is option A moles. Dermatophytes are example of moles. Next question. Commonly used culture media in mycology is option A chocolate agar, option B cornmeal agar, option C blood agar, option D MHA. The right answer is option B cornmeal agar. Commonly used culture media in mycology is cornmeal agar. Next one, question number 54. Black pedra is a fungal infection caused by option A Pedria horte, option B Trichosporon degalii, option C Cladosporium wernicki, option D Caldida albicans. The right answer is option A. Pedria horte is the causative agent of black pedra. Next one, hepatitis A virus belong to the family Flavivirus, Calicivirus, Arenavirus, Picornavirus. The right answer is option D Picornavirus. Question number 56. Japanese encephalitis is transmitted by option A tick, option B mosquito, option C sandfly, option D housefly. Japanese encephalitis is transmitted by mosquito, Culex mosquito. Next question. An example of RNA virus is option A adenovirus, option B parvovirus, option C picornavirus, option D herpes virus. The right answer is option C picornavirus. Next question. Question number 58. Inclusion bodies in brain cells of animals in case of rabies. Option A Negri bodies, option B Guarneri bodies, option C Bollinger bodies, option D molluscum bodies. The right answer is option A Negri bodies. Inclusion bodies in brain cells of animals in case of rabies is Negri bodies. Next one, kissing disease is related to option A cytomegalovirus, option B herpes virus, option C Epstein-Barr virus, option D pox virus. The right answer is option C Epstein-Barr virus. Kissing disease is related to Epstein-Barr virus. Question number 60. Bullet-shaped virion is a feature of option A arbovirus, option B rhabdovirus, option C herpes virus, option D orthomyxovirus. The right answer is option B rhabdovirus. Bullet-shaped virion is a feature of rhabdovirus, that is rabies. Next one, anticoagulant used for blood glucose estimation. Option A fluoride oxalate mixture, option B EDTA, option C heparin, option D citrate. The right answer is option A fluoride oxalate mixture, which is an enzyme poison for glycolysis. Next one, the characteristic feature of metabolic acidosis. Option A primary deficiency of alkali, option B primary excess of bicarbonate, option C primary excess of carbonic acid, option D primary deficiency of bicarbonate. The right answer is option D primary deficiency of bicarbonate. All the three are not the features of metabolic acidosis. Next one, dash refers to reproducibility of the result. Option A accuracy, option B precision, option C specificity, option D sensitivity. The right answer is option B precision. Today we are winding up. You can watch the previous videos from playlist. Thank you.